Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle? You're probably wondering what a side hustle is, right? Well, it's essentially a way to earn extra income in addition to your regular job. It's not just about the money though. A side hustle can be a fantastic opportunity to explore a passion or hobby that you love and turn it into a profitable venture. Imagine being able to do something you're passionate about and getting paid for it. It's like having the best of both worlds. You maintain the security of your day job, but you also get the satisfaction and fulfillment of doing something you love. And who knows, it could even turn into a full-time gig. A side hustle is more than just a job, it's an adventure in entrepreneurship. It's about taking control of your financial future and making your dreams come true. So why should you consider starting a side hustle? Let's delve into the benefits. The benefits of a side hustle go beyond just making extra cash. In fact, one could argue that the financial gains are just the tip of the iceberg. Sure, the extra income can provide a much-needed safety net, allowing you to weather unexpected financial storms. Perhaps it's that sudden car repair bill, an unexpected medical expense, or even just those end-of-the-month pinches that seem to sneak up on us all from time to time. It can also offer a means to pay down debt, whether it's student loans or credit card bills, without having to tighten the belt on your day-to-day living expenses. But what about saving for future goals? Maybe there's a dream vacation you've been longing to take, a house you're hoping to buy, or a retirement nest egg you're eager to grow. A side hustle can be your ticket to turning those dreams into reality, without having to rely on a raise or promotion at your full-time job. Yet, the benefits of a side hustle extend far beyond the financial. It's also an opportunity to learn new skills, whether it's mastering a new software, honing your marketing abilities, or learning how to manage a small business. These skills not only make you more marketable in your day job, but can also be a game changer if you decide to transition your side hustle into a full-time gig. It's also a chance to pursue a passion. Maybe you love photography, have a knack for graphic design, or perhaps you're a whiz at social media. A side hustle can give you an outlet to do what you love, all while earning some extra cash. And let's not forget the entrepreneurial experience. Running a side hustle can give you a taste of what it's like to be your own boss. From setting your own hours to making executive decisions. It can be a valuable stepping stone if you've ever considered starting your own business. With these benefits in mind, it's clear that a side hustle can be more than just a hobby. It can be a stepping stone towards financial independence and personal fulfillment. Before diving into a side hustle, it's essential to examine your motivations and goals. This isn't just an exercise in self-reflection, but a crucial step in the hustle journey. Are you seeking financial freedom, a creative outlet, or perhaps the thrill of entrepreneurship? Understanding why you're drawn to a side hustle will provide clarity and fuel your drive. It's equally important to define what you hope to achieve. Maybe it's an additional income stream, or a stepping stone to full-time self-employment. Having a clear goal in mind will guide your decisions and keep you focused amid challenges. But remember, it's not just about setting goals, it's about setting realistic ones. By understanding your motivations, you can gauge your commitment level and set expectations that won't lead to burnout. Remember, a side hustle should align with your personal and financial goals, not detract from them. So, what have we learned about side hustles? We've touched upon the idea that side hustles are not just small jobs on the side, but income-generating hobbies. They provide an opportunity to explore your passions and talents, while also earning some extra cash. We've also delved into the myriad of benefits that come with having a side hustle. These aren't just financial, although the supplementary income is a significant plus. They also include the chance to learn new skills, build networks, and even potentially transition into a full-time venture. And lastly, we've underscored the importance of aligning your side hustle with your motivations and goals. This alignment ensures that your side hustle doesn't merely become another job, but remains a fulfilling pursuit that brings you joy and satisfaction. Starting a side hustle can be a rewarding journey. As you consider your options, remember the benefits and ensure that your motivations align with your goals. Good luck on your side hustle journey.